Hey, this is Brandon Adams with MarineMax here in Jacks Beach. Today we're on the 275 Dorado. So I want to take you through a few of the options. First of all, right at the back we have a pair of 200 Yamahas. Here in the cockpit area you got seating all the way around. These seats fold up to give you plenty of cockpit space for whatever activity you want to do, fishing. You got a live well on one side, you got the other side that this acts as a cooler or a storage area. As we move forward here, you got a refrigerator, you got a freshwater sink, lots of drawers for storage. Up here we got a walk-in head compartment with a flushable head, so you got plenty of room in there to get in there. Here at the helm, you got a Garmin GPS sonar, you got a Fusion stereo, adjustable seats. Moving forward here, you have plenty of cushions for seating up here, and you also have a walk-through to access your windlass anchor system. So if you want to take a look at the boat, come see us at MarineMax here in Jacks Beach. Look forward to seeing you.